The Chalmers spring system consists of a rubber spring and an enclosing metal restrictor can. The purpose of the restrictor can is to provide specific ride, road handling characteristics, and protection to the spring. To accommodate the different road handling conditions, Chalmers offers a number of different size restrictor cans. The free-floating design of the Chalmers spring and beam requires that the restrictor can be free to move on the vehicle frame. The restrictor can will wear or corrode over a period of time and will require replacement. Replacement of a Chalmers restrictor can may be done easily and quickly without the use of special tools. Carefully inspect the restrictor can for cracks or severe corrosion. All cracked or missing restrictor cans must be replaced. It is recommended that both restrictor cans be replaced to assure evenness of ride and handling. On 54-inch spread suspensions, it may be necessary to remove either the front or the rear tires to allow spring assembly removal. On single-axle series suspensions, it is necessary to disconnect the shock absorber at one end before lifting the rear of the vehicle. Remove the restrictor can and spring. On the tandem series, lift the rear of the vehicle and remove the two fasteners holding the lower spring plate to the beam. Discard the fasteners. Pull the lower spring plate, spring, and restrictor can as one assembly off the beam. Separate the restrictor can, spring, and lower spring plate. Discard the restrictor can. Using a wire brush or scraper, remove rust and road accumulations from the spring plate. Clean out the center vent hole in the lower spring plate. Inspect for visual cracks. If cracked, replace. Turn the spring upside down so the old top is now down. Place on the lower spring plate, inserting the spring dowel into the center spring hole. Put the replacement restrictor can over the spring, making sure the can center locator is in the center spring hole. Lift and place as one assembly the lower spring plate, spring, and restrictor can onto the beam. Line up the fastener holes and install the new spring plate fasteners. Torque to 35 foot-pounds. Repeat this replacement process for the other side. Before lowering the rear of the vehicle, check both restrictor cans for an even gap around the spring and adjust if required. This concludes this service chapter of the video. Please contact Chalmers if you require further information.